Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're going to get right into the truth of these handheld skincare devices. Are they worth your money? Do they actually work? Is a microcurrent just a fancy buzzword? How come the skinfluencers online have glass skin? Are they lying? Are they just trying to get you to buy something that doesn't do anything? There are so many handheld skincare devices on the market in recent years. It's overwhelming. They're all over social media. It's easy to get lost in what each device actually does. You guys have seen me use beauty devices at home. I have been a beauty at home device junkie for many years. I've had so many that I've tested out, and I have a lot to say about them. I can tell you the pros and cons of each device for what type of lifestyle or results you want, how they can improve, and what will work for you. Let's dive right into it. I have been using this Booster Pro for many years now. I am a huge fan of her. She has been a wonderful addition for my routine. I love the results that I get from her. The only thing is she is a bit of a learning curve. There are so many different modes that you have to figure out, and she's more on the pricier end at over $200. I recommended her to a lot of my friends, but this is not suitable for everyone because I have a high pain tolerance, but I have many friends that do not, and they can't get past that tingly feeling that this device has. A common problem I've run into when I recommend her to my friends is they don't know what skincare products to pair with her. Still a good option if you have time to learn the modes, you have more time to do your skincare routine. I feel like she's more for the skincare expert, so if you don't have the luxury of time, then she might not be for you because a lot of us don't have that luxury, and we just need something that has a low learning curve, something that doesn't take a lot of time or need you to pay a ton of attention. I still recommend her, I still like her, but if any of those things do not resonate with you, if time is not on your side, if figuring things out, being a little nerd about it like me is not something that you're interested in, this one may not be for you. Another one I've been really enjoying is this Dalba Ulthera. She takes about 5 minutes and she uses heat to wake up your collagen for that lifting effect. However, with her, I do recommend you to pay close attention when you are applying this on your face because she can feel quite warm. If you're looking for something quick in the morning to rejuvenate your skin, give you a quick lift, I don't recommend her. She takes a moment. We're going to pay close attention to your skincare routine because you don't want to risk overheating or damaging your skin. That's why lately I've been reaching for my Amiro HydraGlow so much more than I've seen myself reach for the other ones. Amiro sent her to me a couple weeks ago, so I've had a couple weeks to tinker with her and really help her fit into my routine. And what I found is that she fits into my skincare rotation seamlessly. It is really tough to get into my skincare routine because I have so many options. I feel like we've finally gotten into a place where skincare is made for everyone, not just for the expert, not for someone that has a lot of time on their hands. I've just had my second baby and my time is extremely limited. If I can sneak away 5 minutes just for myself to brush my teeth, do my skincare routine, that day is golden. My mental load as a parent is so full these days. I love it when a skincare brand really thinks things through and create a product that has everyone in mind. The press and go flow with skincare built right into the device makes this so simple. You don't have to worry about different modes. You don't have to worry about what serums to pair with this because it is in here already. You don't have to carry an extra bottle with you wherever you go. Once you press, the serum dispenses on this roller ball and you go right ahead and glide this on your skin. There are only 2 modes and they're so straightforward. One is a low mode and one is a high mode. The low one is for the girls that are more sensitive and the high one is for the girls who's really built up that kind of tolerance or used to that feeling and you want a little bump. When I had my husband try this for the first time, he's been using the Booster Pro. He didn't even know this was on because it was so gentle. This is really good for people that like gentle skincare, very sensitive skin friendly. What I love about her is that I can just turn my brain off and get into my beauty routine. I can sit in front of a TV, lay in bed, even carry a baby in one arm and glide this over my skin. I like to glide in this upward motion and it immediately gives me this lifted effect. not only lifted, but glowy glass skin effect, and I don't even need to think about it at all. It's extremely low maintenance. A lot of these other devices are high maintenance, and I'm already high maintenance. I need a device to be low maintenance. A lot of girlies are asking me, what product should I pair with her? What I really enjoy about the Amiro HydraGlow is that it already comes with a built-in skincare system, and this is built in with PDRN, which is known for quick cell turnover so that you have that bright, youthful skin. Here, let me demonstrate. The fact that this has a built-in serum dispenser makes my life so much easier. I don't have to think about what skincare product to use. You glide this over your skin in an upward lifting motion. You can see a dramatic difference with glass skin effect and also lifting effect. My brows is a lot more lifted, my jawline a lot more snatched. My smile lines have significantly reduced the appearance as well. I actually carried my baby all the time while I use this device, and with consistent use that I've been in the last couple of weeks, I've noticed my jowls, my smile lines, and even my brows have lifted so much more. I don't know what it is. I'm much more sensitive after having a baby. My face is just does not have that pain tolerance as it used to. She is fuss-free, easy to wash. I dunk her underneath the running faucet, and she's completely waterproof, so I don't have to worry about her breaking. She's also really portable. Whenever I go out, I just throw her into my bag, shower, roll this over my face for a minute and a half, max 2, and you will notice a difference from my left and my right side. You just turn her on and go. When a device is cheaply made, you can hear that squeaky sound. None of that here. The roll is very high quality. It glides smoothly. It has a beautiful weight to it, and it rolls across your face effortlessly, helping you lift and iron out those smile lines, carve out your jowls so you look more snatched and awake in a short amount of time. I'm actually really excited about today's video because I've reached out to Amiro. Since I have been loving her so much, I want you guys to try her out, and they were so generous to give me $50 off for you guys. So if you guys use the code in the description box below, you can try her and really experience this for yourself. Smile lines, jowls, brows lifted, glass skin, everything in one tiny device. Pain-free, easy to use. Check the description box below for $50 off. Let me quickly get into how to use her. There are only 2 modes. There is a gentle mode and an intensive mode. With gentle mode, this is great for every day. Mornings, I like to do this right before I do my makeup, just for a minute or so. Iron out those lines, achieve glass skin. All you have to do to activate the machine is press this button. This button will dispense the serum onto the roller ball, and you'll see there are dots here that lights up. Once it lights up, that's how you know it is on. When you start using it, it activates the device. And when you stop using it for about a minute or so is when it automatically turns off. So you don't have to worry about the battery life, because I've been using this for weeks now and I have not yet have to charge her. So her battery life is really amazing. These devices need consistent usage for you to see a result. Having a really good battery life, it just makes such a big difference to you actually reaching out for her and using it. If you press 2 times, you'll see the dots are blinking now. If they're blinking quickly, that means you are now on intensive mode. And again, you just go over your face in this upward motion. You can iron out your eye bags, lift your brows up. After just a minute, you'll see your face more lifted, and the built-in PDRN serum give you that glass skin as well. I'm going to toot my own horn really quickly because I am now 35 years old. I've had 2 kids, and with the help of all of these skincare devices and skincare, obviously consistent use, I've figured out how to slow down aging in the most natural and beautiful way. One of the things that have been bothering me the most in my mid-30s are my smile lines and jowls. And I couldn't figure out for the life of me because I spend a lot of time on my skincare. I do spend a lot of time and effort, and I feel like I have a beautiful skin. My dark spots are pretty much non-existent these days. Fine lines, non-existent. But why am I seeing my smile lines and my jowls appear? And honestly, it's quite unavoidable unless you have red light therapy, you use EMS or microcurrent to lift everything back up. If you're a bit of a skincare nerd like me and you want to know why something works, this little guy has 4 different technologies built into it. It's really powerful for how tiny it is. It uses red light, near infrared light, EMS, and microcurrent. Let me tell you what each of those will do for you. So most devices only comes with red light. Red light is really good for renewing skin cells. If you have dark spots, it's really great for lightening dark spots, telling your skin to wake up and produce collagen. Now, red light only hits the surface of your skin so deep. This device not only has red light, but also has near infrared light, meaning it'll actually penetrate just a layer below what most devices on the market do. So with the glide of each move, not only do you get red light, you also get near infrared light to really tell your skin to wake up and produce more collagen. As we age, collagen goes down every single year after you turn 25. I am now 10 years past 25. A lot of collagen are going away. Any help is great, especially when it goes one skin layer deep. I love that. Now for smile lines and jowls, a lot of people as they near their late 20s to early 30s, you may start noticing smile lines. Some people may see them sooner because of genetics. And let me tell you, after doing extensive research, because I'm such a nerd for this stuff, I found that EMS, electrical muscle stimulation, is what's going to lift everything up below the surface of your skin. So your skincare is what's going to preserve the youthfulness. Red light is going to tell your collagen to rebuild. This also has microcurrent. Microcurrent creates pathways in your skin so your skincare can penetrate deeper into your skin. So microcurrent is for skincare absorption. Because this has PDRN infused in the pump, whatever comes out directly onto your skin, one, your fingertips will not be absorbing most of the skincare. It will go straight into your face. But two, with microcurrent, it actually allows the skincare to penetrate even deeper than if you had just used your fingers to apply it onto your skin. When you apply serums from your fingers, it typically just sits on top of your skin. It doesn't allow your skin to fully absorb the goodies. But think about with the combination red light, telling your skin cells to wake up, rebuild collagen, and using microcurrent to create more pathways so your skin can absorb it deeper. And my favorite part, such a nerd for EMS right now, it actually works out your facial muscles. Here is what pushes down to create that smile line, right? If you work out this cheek muscle and have it lift higher up again, also your eyes right here, these muscles, work them out and have them lift up again, what you will see is your smile lines will appear less deep. This weight is now being pulled back up by the strength of your muscle. Think of EMS as small sit-ups, workouts for your face muscles every single day. The more you do it, the more lifted you will see your face appear without any invasive surgeries. And you can really prolong the aging process with one simple device like this. PDRN. It's been a couple weeks of me using her. I've gone through half the box. These last quite a bit. So that is the stuff that people are injecting into their face in Korea right now. Salmon. And there's also 1.2% collagen. So when you have those, just imagine like sink deep into your skin and you do this every single day. And the craziest part, I think it's like currently floating around $100. Such a good investment for the health of your skin. So again, don't miss your opportunity for this really great $50 off deal. I'll have that link in the description box below with a promo code. I'll put it on the screen as well so you can get your hands on this and start your journey with glass skin, lifted skin. She's good. I want to see you guys send me before and afters. Even just before you start rolling it and 2 minutes after, I would love if you tag me and send me photos if you get your hands on this, because I always get so excited when people take my recommendations and they see a really positive effect on their life, on their face. When you feel good about your appearance, you're generally a lot more confident, you're happier, and I'm just a happier person. I feel a lot more confident. My makeup sits more beautifully on my skin. I can keep raving on about her, but let's just stop here. I just want to thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to see an in-depth video on all the other skincare devices I have mentioned in this video, leave a comment below. If you are low maintenance, you want glass skin, you want to see your face lifted, you know this is her. But if you want to see more in-depth video comparing each device, let me know in the comment section below and I will work on getting that to you guys. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!